Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to tell you how you can connect your Nintendo Switch Fortnite account with the PS4. So for this you'll need a PC or desktop, and you will be needing to go to fortnite.com as you can see here, and you'll need to log in with the Epic Games account that you have been using on your Nintendo Switch. So after you log in, you'll have to click on your icon, account icon here, and then go to accounts. So after you go to accounts, you'll be on settings, so you'll have to navigate to linked accounts, and you'll see here PlayStation Network in the account section. You'll see this link button, you'll have to press on that, and it will take you to the connection window. As you can see, here is my account that I've logged in with Epic Games with. All you have to do is press this connect account, and a window will pop up which will give your which will ask you of your PlayStation credentials. So all you have to do is sign in with your email address and then password, and then simply connect with your PlayStation with the Epic Games account. So if you're using PS4, you can do that with like this. So that is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.